What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. You are watching App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $10 per hour to click and pick. Now, if you just came across my video, you're very new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And you heard earlier, I give away free money. So please do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today. And also don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. Hopefully it'll be July the 11th, because if I get there by July 11th, 3 people is going to win some free money. So please share this video everywhere so we can get to 4,000 subscribers by July 11th. All right, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I don't want you to miss any of the steps that you need to take to implement this method. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. And I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. So what you're going to be doing is earning money giving designer feedback. So participate in quick design surveys, help make products better, and get paid doing it. So yes, this is a survey type of website, but it's different than the others I've shown you in the past. So you're going to like this website. Now, you're going to click here to become a tester now. So it's quick and easy to do. You don't need to be a usability expert to participate. In fact, most test creators prefer ordinary people over professional designers and developers. So you're going to earn credits with every response. So get paid for each response you provide. Once you've accumulated at least 100 credits, you can request a payout. And you're going to get 20 cents per credit. So UserCrowd, which is the name of this website, UserCrowd pays 20 cents US dollars per credit earned. Most tests pay 1 to 2 credits per response, and some may pay more. So you're going to get at least 20 cents to 40 cents for each response. Okay, so now the payout. So you're going to be paid out through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, go ahead and sign up and get one at paypal.com. You can request a payout when your balance reaches $10. So when your balance reaches $10, you can request that payout and get that PayPal money. Now you're going to receive real-time notifications. We use email and real-time notifications to inform you when tests are available so you have the best chance of participating. So you got to check your emails, guys, if you want to do some of these tests. All right, now I went ahead and created an account. So let's go inside the account and just see how that looks and see what you got to do once you sign up and register and start testing. Okay, I'm in my account. As you can see, I just really started this account and I haven't received any tests yet. I'm waiting on that. I should be getting that soon. It only takes some hours to really get your first test. Now you're going to be managing your payouts here. You can see your history here, and here's some guidelines you can read. And right here they show your current balance and tests that you completed. Now, it also says here you'll be matched with tests during your hours availability and notified with emails. Now here's another important thing. You don't have to give positive feedback, but you should give feedback like you would to someone you met in person. For example, the logo looks unprofessional, or I find the navigation very confusing. Those are great answers. Now here's some bad answers. This sucks. I hate it. Those answers, and answers that contain profanity, is not acceptable on this website. So if you have a potty mouth, you need to close that up and use professional language here. All right. Now let's just go ahead and go to the frequently asked questions right quick. Now, we already talked about most of these things that they have questions for on here. We talked about how much you're going to get paid. We talked about what platform you're going to use, which is PayPal. So they got the guidelines here. You can just click on here and learn about the guidelines. Now let's just look at this. So it says, is there a limit to the number of tests I can take? So the only limit is the number of available tests, which varies from day to day. It also varies according to your rating, so be sure to follow the tester guidelines. So what they're saying is you're going to have a rating that they're going to give you, and if you have a very, very good rating, you're probably going to get a lot of tests to do. But if you don't, then you're not going to get that many tests. So you definitely got to make sure you have a good rating. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. So this is a good website to go ahead and get started making this money, being a usability tester. So go ahead and go to UserCrowd.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Now, don't click away yet. Make sure you do this. Hit that like button for me and help me to get like 50 likes. If I get 50 likes, that's going to help the YouTube algorithm to get my video out there to more people. So help me to get just 50 likes. That's all I ask. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I have talked about today in this video. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And most importantly, follow me on Instagram, which is right here. Follow me, because if you don't follow me, you might not get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. So it's important to follow me on Instagram and DM me hashtag the grind is real. Or you can leave me another comment like, I love you, Reggie P. Your videos are incredible. But anyway, that's real important to follow me on Instagram. And please share this all around the internet because I want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. 2020 is the year to become your own boss because a lot of stuff has been going on and it's time for you to become your own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, one more thing. I do shout outs sometime. So please leave that comment, a very creative comment in the comment section, along with hashtag the grind is real. And if I like the comment, I might shout you out in one of my videos. But you got to keep looking at my videos because I can do it at any time. I'm not going to say, okay, next video, I'm gonna go ahead and do an announcement or a shout out for a person comment. I might just pop up and just say, hey, in this video, I'm going to do a shout out for such and such. So you got to keep watching and drop that creative comment. And also, guys, like I said before, please share this everywhere because my goal for this year on this channel is to get to 50,000 subscribers. I know it sounds like a real big number that it might be hard to get there, but I believe we can get there, guys. This is not just my channel. This is you guys' channel. So the bigger I get, the more I can give you guys some free stuff, like free money, free gifts, because I want to do that. I want to give back to you guys along with great content, because I want to keep giving you guys this great content and keep giving away money. And, you know, I might give away iPhones or something like that in the future if I can keep growing. So help me to get to 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year. But right now, let's get to 4,000 subscribers. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again. Appreciate you guys' support and help. Let's keep going. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Howdy.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on.